TTR 90? Yeah, that YZ250 wasn't fast enough. We're gonna ride this thing now, all right? We'll start it up. Oh crap, it won't start. All right, we're gonna do some riding here.
Number 9, like it's supposed to be.
Let's go.
He is so stupid. Oh yeah, getting up on that hill. There's big box of cinder blocks right there. Yes, huh? Yeah, he's going all of 5 miles an hour. 5 miles an hour. That's a new record, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, new record. Yeah, and see, he has to have a smaller bike than I do. Where did he go? Oh, there he is. That red bike right there, that's mine. Thank you. Thank you. It's very sexy. Ooh! Trying to get his wheelie going on here.
You ready for this? We're gonna do some donuts.
Alright, let's go. Woo! Truck! He's practicing for NASCAR! NASCAR! New Wesley Bryant video, number 9. Number 9, Wesley Bryant.
James Stewart.
Yeah, he called you out, James Stewart. Ooh! Yeah, get that wheelie going. Yeah, what do you have to say for yourself?
This thing is gonna kick your butt. Got it, guys? It's gonna beat any 450. Peace.